So I have what I call the mounts that the actual engine mount set on. They're attached now. Here are the two in the rear. If you remember, it's 4-inch square, 1/2-inch thick aluminum tube. And then I've got aluminum plate on the outside there. And then the front mounts are now attached. And so these mounts are made of Douglas fir, and I cut a notch down in there because these engine mounts in front needed to sit down further in there. And then on either side I've got 1/4-inch thick aluminum plate on the inside and outside to clamp it. So you can see what that looks like, hopefully. And so this is close to where the engine will be now with the mounts permanently attached. And so yeah, I'm pretty happy about the height. And then you can see on this side, port side, mounts there and there. Yeah, I'm glad about that. One thing I wanted to mention, to get this engine to set down far enough, you notice this is there's a fuel filter in here, I think, and the high pressure fuel pump is in there. And what I had to do, if you notice that piece of wood, I actually had to raise that assembly up, otherwise it would have contacted the motor stringer, and I didn't want to be cutting out motor stringer. So what I'm going to do, actually have the piece over here. I've got a piece of aluminum, 1/4-inch aluminum, and I'm going to make a part that holds it. And one thing though is it actually needs to come forward. That's why this piece is longer than that sort of temporary board, because what I need to do is this hose needs to be tucked in, because it is sticking out outside, and my motor box will be coming down right there. Oops. And so that also needs to shift forward to allow that hose to tuck in. So I will be working on that at some point.